See, don't type your child name in the chat box. You don't have to type the name in the chat box. What you have to do is, I have shared a link in the chat box. See, I'm sharing it again. You have to click on this link. इस लिंक पे आपको क्लिक करना है. इस लिंक पे आप क्लिक करोगे तो वहां पे एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स आएगा, एंटर योर फुल नेम. वहां पे आपको बच्चे का नाम डालना है और उसके बाद नीचे सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करना है. देन ओनली अटेंडेंस विल बी मार्क. यहाँ पे नाम नहीं लिखना है. मैंने जो अभी लिंक शेयर किया है चैट बॉक्स में, उस लिंक पे आप क्लिक कीजिए. लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो एक फॉर्म ओपन होगा, वहां पे आपको नाम डालना है बच्चे का और फिर आपको सबमिट क्लिक करना है. ठीक है.
आपके पास टैबलेट है? नहीं.
Okay, so this is the first slide which says title is revision session, when we had to do a revision for lesson number 1. Okay, so the first point it says computer is an electronic machine. So first of all, let us understand what is this electronic machine means. Okay, see, electronic machine means what? The machine which needs electricity to work. मतलब we need to provide the electricity. हमको उसको light देना पड़ता है, electricity apply करनी पड़ती है, तब वो machine चलेगा. Those machines are called as an electronic machine. और computer एक electronic machine है. Why? Because to start the computer, we need to give an electricity. We need to pass an electricity to the computer. इसलिए बोलते हैं computer is an electronic machine. अभी आपको क्या करना है बच्चा लोग? You have to look around in your house. आपको घर में जहाँ पे बैठे हो वहीं पे, जहाँ पे बैठे हो, look around. और आपके घर में ऐसे कौन से मशीन है जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे चलते हैं? What all machines are there at your home which works on the electricity? जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे चलते हैं, ये कौन सा मशीन है?
लैपटॉप, टीवी,
washing machine, TV.
Yes, children, go back to yes. All these machines
washing machine and fan.
electricity. All this machine works on electricity. Very true. Very true, children. Very true. Now I will show you one image. I will show you one picture, one collage where I have tried to stick all the electronic machines together. Okay, let's use that image. Okay. Yes, see the image. Lots of electronic machines are there in this image. Dishwasher is there. Dishwasher, which works on electricity. Washing machine, which works on electricity. Mute yourself. Asma, mute. Refrigerator. Children, don't unmute, be mute. Blender, vacuum cleaner, press, you use press, right? Kettle, toast machine, microwave, fan, these all are electronic machines. These all are electronic machines. Same way, computer also works on electricity. That's why computer is called electricity. Every time I need to stop sharing and I have to come back and so it's my humble request to be on mute only. If you have any doubt, you can type that particular doubt in the chat box. I will give the answer, or you can raise your hand. I will unmute and then you can ask me your query. But without any reason, please don't unmute. Please make a habit to the child also that you don't have to unmute. Be on mute so that everyone can listen what I'm saying. Prisha, not mute. Q4 27. I told you to give child name. Yes. What is it about? Thing, no doubt, just raising the hand. Okay, so now I have muted everyone. Please be on mute only. Don't unmute. Do not unmute. Okay.
Mute Rakha.
Okay. So computer is an electronic machine. Now, why we should use computer? Why we should use computer? So what are the purpose? Why computer is called as smart machine? So these are some of the reasons why computer is called as the smart machine. First is computer works very fast. Arnish, why you unmuted? You have to be on mute.
Computer never make.
Yes. Pratiksha, are you having any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can just unmute and ask me the doubt. Because I can see your hand. Yes, Pratiksha.
Not what is the page number?
You don't have to see the book. You can see the screen.
Yes.
You have to see the screen. I'm sharing the presentation. You have to look at the presentation. No need to opening book. I will tell you if you require to open a book. Right now, you don't have to open a book. You have to focus on the screen of data. Okay, so computer works very fast. Computer works very fast. So whenever you want to calculations, suppose I want to do a calculation, okay, for 138 students. Parents, it's a request, please be on mute. Otherwise, I will put up a name on the WhatsApp group that these are students who are not unmuting, who are not muting. Avni Paitankar. Okay, you are not able to hear me out. Okay. Hello, now can you hear me? Avni, can you hear me? Just show me thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, okay, good Avni, good, good. I've seen that. Okay. Now again, I have muted everyone. Huh? This is the fourth time I'm muting everyone. And for the latecomers, I'm entering the attendance sheet once again. Those who join late. In the chat box, I have shared the attendance form. Those who join late for them. Okay. So computer, why we should use computer is because one thing, computer works very fast. If I have to do a calculation for all the first standard, so first standard strength is 138 students or more than that. So if I do a calculation for all the students, I will need 1 hour to complete that work. So you'll be like, ma'am, you have a computer. Why don't you use computer to do the calculation? So then I will switch on to the computer and I can do that calculation in a minute because computer is very fast. Computer works very fast and it can do large number of calculations in a second. Pratiksha, why again you are unmuting? Yes, Arya Kolte, what's your doubt? What is the problem? Arya, Check your network. Check your network. Internet connection. If your internet connection bandwidth is low, then this problem will come. Next is computer never makes mistake. See, computer don't have brain to think, right? Computer don't have brain to think. We give instruction to the computer and then only computer performs the task, right? So if suppose you know Tom and Jerry cartoon, right? If I told you to type a spelling Tom from the keyboard, right? And by mistake you type Jerry, right? So it's not the computer mistake, it's our mistake because we typed the wrong name. Teacher told you to type Tom and you type Jerry. So it's our mistake. Computer never makes mistake. Computer cannot do many things and do many things at the same time. एक साथ कंप्यूटर बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता है. Suppose you want to listen to the music, you can listen it. If you want to watch the movie, you can watch the movie also. So computer can do at the same time. It works continuously. Works continuously. If you want to work on computer, parents, please mute yourself because others are not able to listen. Please mute. If everyone will be on mute, then only everyone else will be able to hear what I'm saying.
Of 10 words.
Joshika, why you unmuted? Okay, so see this beautiful cartoon type picture I have put. You have to focus on the picture. I will read the text for you. You have to focus on the pictures. Okay, so the first pictures, it says a man can make mistakes. This man has done a mistake. जैसे मैंने बोला, I told you to type a Tom और आपने गलती से Jerry type किया keyboard पे, right? Man can make mistakes. Whereas computer does not make mistake. Computer does not make mistakes. Work process. This man is relaxing. Table पे पैर रख के, this man is relaxing. Why? Because a man needs rest. हमको रेस्ट की जरूरत होती है.
Can you speak loudly?
I'm speaking loudly, Srishti beta. I'm speaking very loudly. Okay. Now can you hear me? Now are you able to hear me? Put the thumbs up if you can hear me. No, you can't? Okay, okay, wait. Wait, huh? Just wait. I'll do the arrangement for it, okay? Just give me 1 minute. So this man is relaxing because after work we need a rest. We need to rest.
Hello.
Now can you hear me all? Srishti, now can you hear me? Okay, great. Okay. Now can you all see me also? Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Don't waste time. Time is very precious. Okay. Okay, come back to this picture. Now, parents, please be on mute. Okay, a man needs rest after working. Okay, this man, people need a rest. But computer, look at the computer. Computer is doing this. So computer is does not need rest, because computer never get tired. Computer never get tired. Man can take his or decisions. Man can take decision, but computer cannot take decision. Atharva, why you unmuted? Soumya unmuted. Okay, so computer cannot take own decision. If you sitting in front of the computer, if you're sitting in front of the computer and waiting for the computer and saying computer start, computer is not going to start, because computer cannot take decision. We have to take the decision. We have to switch on the main power supply. We have to start the CPU, right? So we have to start the computer. Computer cannot. Man does not need any order to work, because man can think, we can think, so we can do our work by our own. But computer needs instruction. We have to give order to the computer, then only computer work. And last, feelings. We have the feeling. If something it gets hurt, आपको दर्द होता है, right? But if you pinch the computer, computer don't have any feelings. Computer को दर्द नहीं होता, because computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So computer does not have feelings. See what the difference is given in our book also. What difference is in the book also.
Hello.
So the first difference here is computer works very fast. Others, I'm requesting again, please go on mute. Mahavir, Arnish, why you are unmuting? Everyone, if you mute, then only I'll continue with the session. Please be on mute. Everyone, I will take names. You are not muting. Let me take the names. It's really disturbing others. Full class is disturbing because of this. Atharva Sawant, you are not muted. Why? This name is given. Boat Rabji. Student name is not given. Okay. So come back to the session, because I need to complete this, and this is really important for the students to have the revision of lesson 1. Aradhya, you are also not muted. Aryan Parab, not muted. Now I have muted. Don't unmute. I have muted. Port, I don't know who's this person. Again, unmuting. Yes, Arya Kolte, do you have any doubt? Aradhya. So now I have muted everyone. Please don't unmute. Don't. Okay. So this thing is given in our book. The difference is given in our book. Computer works very fast, whereas we human being needs time to do a calculation. Computer does not need rest. We get tired after working for an hour. Suppose you are writing for something for 1 hour, you will be like, Mama, my hand is paining, right? But computer never say like that. Computer never makes mistake. We can make mistake. By mistake something happens. That's why you use eraser, right? Whenever you write something, you write with pencil and use eraser to erase the mistake, because we people make mistakes. Computer does not have feeling. कंप्यूटर को फीलिंग नहीं होता है, इमोशंस नहीं होता है, बट वी हैव इमोशंस, वी हैव फीलिंग्स. Computer cannot think. We can think, we can take decisions, but computer cannot take decisions. So if someone asks you what is the difference between computer and human being, so you have to compare yourself with the computer. आपको खुद को compare करना है computer के साथ कि okay, computer can work very fast. I need time to do a calculation. मुझे time लगता है calculation करने में. I need rest. Computer does not need rest. I can make mistake. Computer never make mistake. I have feelings. I have emotions. Computer don't have feelings. I need to give instruction to the computer, because computer cannot think. But yes, human being can think. Okay, so this is the difference. Now next, again very interesting. IPO. That is IPO cycle. Arnish, why again you have unmuted? I am muting you. Okay, IPO cycle. IPO. So suppose nowadays in market lots of mangoes are there, right? Mango fruit is coming in the market, and you want to have the mango shake. You want a mango shake, right? So how will you prepare the mango shake? You will take a input. You will take a mango. You will take out the mango pulp. Mango pulp निकालोगे उससे. You will take a sugar. You will take a milk, right? So this is the ingredients to make mango shake. So we'll say in our computer terms, these are the inputs. These are the input. Okay. बाद में what your mama will do? Mama will keep all the input in the mixie. Grinder में डालेंगे आपकी मम्मा, and she will mix it. Grinder start करेंगी. So that is processing. And after few seconds, final output will be ready. You will get mango shake. She will pour the mango shake into the glass, and your mango shake will be ready. So this is a IPO cycle. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose you have unsharpened pencil. आपके पास पेंसिल है जिसको शार्प नहीं किया हुआ है, राइट? तो अभी वो हमारा एक इनपुट है. Unsharpened pencil is our input. You will take a sharpener. You will sharpen the pencil. So sharpening means you are processing. Sharpening means you are processing. And final, what will be the output? You will get sharpen pencil. आपके पेंसिल को शार्प आ जाएगा. So that is your sharpen pencil. That is your output. So input, unsharpened pencil. Processing, sharpening with a sharpener, and output, sharpen pencil. Atharva, why you unmuted? Okay, so this is IPO cycle. Now you have to look at your around at your home, and you have to find out the machines which work on a IPO cycle. Let me give you quickly one more example. Washing machine. Washing machine also uses IPO cycle. What is the input? What goes in the machine? Dirty clothes. Then you start the machine. So that is a washing means processing. And what will be the output? What comes out from the machine? clean cloth, washed cloth, right? So that is the output. So washing machine, input, processing, output. Now you have to think and find it out the machines, and you have to tell your parents that this particular machine works on input, processing, output. Okay. Now the next is input devices. See, in computer also it follows input, processing and output. So to do input, these are the input devices which computer uses. Like keyboard. When you type something from the keyboard, it goes into the computer. So that device is helping to get data inside the computer. So that's why those devices are called as the input devices, right? Keyboard, mouse, webcam, joystick, microphone, headphones which we are using right now. Trisha, why unmuted? So input devices to enter data and instructions into the computer. Now output devices. These devices help you to take out data from the devices. So speaker से क्या होता है? गाना का आवाज बाहर आता है. So song is there in your computer. The song voice is coming out. So speaker is helping to get out the volume. So speaker is an output device. Printer. आपका picture कहाँ पे? It's in the computer. With the help of printer, that picture is coming out. So printer is an output device. Headphone. Computer में बात हम लोग कर रहे हैं, right? So with the help of computer, through the mobile phone, it is coming out. Voice is coming out. So microphone, headphone is an output device. Projector. कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन रहता है, वो स्क्रीन आपको बड़ा बाहर दिखता है. So that is projector is also an output device. Now types of computers, right? See, right now I am using laptop. Some of the students are using computer, personal computer. Some of the students are using mobile phones. Some are using tablets, right? So these all are the different kind of computer, different types of computers. Now how to differentiate? What is the difference between these? See, desktop computers, इसका नाम देखो, desktop, desktop, because we keep it on the top of the desk. टेबल के टॉप पे रखते हो ना, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं desktop computer. But what is the problem with this computer is it is very heavy. These computers are very heavy and you cannot easily shift from one place to another, right? Next is it needs keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor. ये सब चाहिए उसको चलने के लिए, right? So that is desktop computer. And important thing is electricity. Desktop computer works on electricity. Now next is laptop. See here I have put up a picture of laptop. Laptop is small, lightweight as compared to the desktop computer, and it does not need separate devices. इसको अलग से keyboard, अलग से mouse, अलग से कुछ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Everything is assembled inside, right? So laptop, and it works on the battery. लैपटॉप में बैटरी होता है, कंटिन्यूअस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just charge it and it will work. And third is tablets or your mobile phones. These are very small. Aradhya, Arnav, I can see you stop beating each other. Okay, mobile phones are also having battery. And another name you can say it palm top. आप हाथ के ऊपर रखते हो ना मोबाइल फोन और इजीली लेके जा सकते हो किधर भी, इधर से उधर. right? So these are very lightweight. So these are three different types of computers. So thank you for the presentation, listening patiently. But now we are moving to the worksheet. You have to solve one worksheet. But before solving, I'll share that worksheet on the WhatsApp. But I want to explain that worksheet first. Okay, so let me just share that worksheet. Arnish, again you are unmuted. Mute yourself. We have 3 minutes left. So what I'll do, I'll just share the attendance link once again. If somebody is left, you can just mark your attendance. If somebody is left, now I'll show you the worksheet. See, this is the very interesting worksheet, right? You have to complete. Okay. Right now we'll just discuss it. Right now we'll just discuss this worksheet. Okay. So filling the blanks using the words given. The words are desktop, mistakes, tables, electronic, speakers. Okay, the first question is, computer is an dash machine. So computer is an electronic machine. Second question, a computer never makes mistakes. कंप्यूटर से गलतियां होती है क्या? नहीं, कंप्यूटर never makes mistakes. Yes, Aradhya, it's mistakes, I know. Desktop computers are kept on the tables. Computers are kept on the tables. Very good, children. Fourth one, Ash are used to listen songs. गाना सुनने के लिए आप क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Speakers. Yes, beta. Yes. Fifth question. Dash computers are called personal computers. Desktop computers are also called as personal computers. Yes. So these are the five. You can write this question in your notebook. Once I'll share it on WhatsApp. I'll be sharing this worksheet on the WhatsApp. You can write the question answer, this question and answer in your notebook. Okay. Now one more interesting surprise for you. Surprise question for you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See this picture. There are some hidden computer devices in this picture. There are some, listen carefully. There are some computer devices which are hidden. You have to find out and circle those parts. I'll show you one. See, here is printer. See, here is printer. Okay, so you have to find out all the parts which are scattered in this room and you have to circle. See here, what is this? On the bed, what is kept? On the bed, what is this?
Laptop.
Scanner. It's not laptop, it's scanner. Very good, very good. It's scanner. What is this? Keyboard. Very good.
Keyboard.
What is this? See, my mouse.
CPU.
No, it's speaker.
CPU.
UPS.
CPU. Ma'am.
UPS.
CPU.
UPS.
Hello.
CPU is here. Mouse is here.
Mouse.
Monitor. Pen drive.